Apple's first foldable iPhone, widely referred to in rumors as the iPhone Fold, is expected to mark the company's long-anticipated entry into the foldable smartphone market, with a likely launch in September 2026 as part of the iPhone 18 lineup. Early reports suggest a book-style foldable design that opens to a large, nearly tablet-sized internal display, around 7.7 to 7.8 inches, with an outer cover screen for standard use, combining portable form with expanded multitasking potential. Performance is expected to be driven by Apple's next-generation A-series chip, likely A20 or A20 Pro, and feature software refinements in iOS tailored for foldable hardware that enable smoother transitions and optimized multitasking when switching between folded and unfolded modes. Other rumored features include a premium build with advanced hinge technology, robust camera system comparable to Apple's Pro models, and a battery capable of supporting the larger dual-screen experience. This foldable iPhone could redefine Apple's smartphone lineup by blending tablet-like productivity with classic iPhone usability, although exact specs, pricing, and availability details may continue to evolve as the launch approaches. Give me titles.